Chains are broken, cause you have spoken. It is finished on the cross. Now I'm living in your freedom. Jesus, you have set me free.
We would love really to see all of you to become inspiration, not only for young people like you, but people like us. Brothers and sisters, I would like to wish you a very joyful and blessed conference today.
Of your spirit, every captive is released. For this purpose, I am living, 'cause Jesus, you have set me free. Nothing's gonna hold me back. No, nothing's gonna keep me down. Jesus has set me free, and I'm free in.
The Lord is so good. He allowed us to experience Misericordia in UAE.
Vision ko sa WSC is ma-feel yung presence ni God at confirm yung tanong ko sa kanya about minahal ka niya, minamahal ka niya, mamahalin ka niya. Mamahalin kaya niya ako.
Mas lalong maging deep at mas lalong makilala ko pa si Lord at the same time kung ano yung challenges at yung mission na nilaan niya para sa akin.
Surrounded by your goodness, I am covered by your grace. My heart is grateful, forever thankful, 'cause Jesus, you have set me free. Nothing's gonna hold me back. No, nothing's gonna keep me down. Jesus has set me, come on, shout it, free indeed. I will give you.
Mercy is really given to us. Mercy is given to us. Pero kailangan natin tanggapin.
Pag pinagtiwala mo sa Diyos yung puso mo na sugatan, mas mararamdaman mo yung awa at abag niya.
You praise with everything I am. I'll praise whatever may come my way. You have won the victory. You set me free.
Attending Singles Congress is a first time for me. So, as early as this, parang God is drawing me closer to Him. And He is clearing a pathway for me.
Ang ina-expect ko sa Congress na to yung paano ko ma-experience lalo pa yung mercy ni God. Minsan, hindi ko po siya talaga na-experience, yung parang hindi ko po siya na-realize na talagang present pala siya sa buhay ko. Pero ngayon po, dahil sa mga nangyari, ina-expect ko po talaga na lalo pang maging bukas yung isip ko at puso ko sa pagtanggap kay Lord at po sa mercy niya.
We have the victory. We are free. And we are free. And we have the victory. Come on, lift your hands and sing.
Ang expectation namin sa Congress na ito ay renew!
Ang expectation namin sa Congress na to ay happiness!
Ang expectation namin sa Congress na ito ay move on!
Ang expectation namin sa Congress na to ay victorious!
You have won the victory. You set me free.
Pagmamahal ng Diyos, yung awa at habag ng Diyos, at tuloy na nararamdaman natin kahit ang layo natin sa Kanya. Hindi tumigil yung God's mercy and God's love is bigger than what I'm going through right